How to fix Spotify Canvas not working on Spotify. Today guys, I have to show you and have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. Then you have to go directly to apps or applications, and you have to go directly to Spotify application. And when you found it, just open it like this and go directly to storage. On storage, go to clear data, click on OK, and go back and click on first stop and click OK. And now the last thing is going to Play Store and updating your Spotify. It's not if it's not updating. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.